Football is a game of opinions. So everyone has their opinion. My brother, Mamelodi Sundowns won, AS FAR 0. What's your take on the game?
My view is very simple. We're a bit disappointed on AS FAR. We're here to rally behind them. But it seems like Sundowns will demonstrate again to show that they are champions of African football. They are kings of African football. Outside winning League of South Africa, but in Africa, they are king of Africa. But honestly, we're disappointed on AS FAR. We're here for them.
This means
But Orlando Pirates next week is taking the league.
does this mean your statement that you were one of the people throwing things from the top? No, just asking.
You're sitting with Sundowns because they said they don't allow South Africans to go that side.
Yes.
And we're a bit skeptical, say that why you are not allowing us. Then we saw when those people of Morocco started to throw bottles to our police.
Yes.
So that's also it was necessary for us to sit with Masandawan.
Yes.
So congratulations for Sundowns winning a second star. But next week also let us meet in Bombela when Orlando Pirates is crowning as the king of South African football. Thanks.
Will you beat these people that are working from home? Mamelodi Sundowns.
There I foresee not. Then Sundowns will be crowned as the king of African.
Thank you, my brother.
For sure.
Talk football, I say.